Emerge, race number 2, replay hatid po ng Santana Park Saxon.
Patok.
And the rope. Early lead is taken by Arithmetic and Material Ruler now moving up on the outside. It's Arithmetic, Material Ruler, Batong Silyar, Speed Almighty, Arsenal, Personal Pile, and Prussian Gunner is trailing the group. And as they leave the straight, it's Arithmetic by the rail, followed by Material Ruler running in second. And on the outside in third, Batong Silyar, Speed Almighty, Arsenal, and Personal Pile, Prussian Gunner. Into the backstretch, it is still Arithmetic lengthening now by 4 lengths, followed by Material Ruler in second. And moving up on the outside in third is Batong Silyar, Speed Almighty, and Arsenal. Nearing the far 10 is still Arithmetic maintaining a 4 lengths lead, followed by Material Ruler and Batong Silyar now moving up on the outside, but it's still Arithmetic by 3.5 lengths. Material Ruler by the rail in second, and running in third on the outside is Batong Silyar. It's still Arithmetic, and here comes Material Ruler now moving up on the outside, and on the farther outside is Batong Silyar. The last bend for home, it's now Material Ruler in the lead, followed by Batong Silyar on the outside, and by the rail is Arithmetic, and Speed Almighty now closing in fourth. At the top of the stretch, Arithmetic by the rail, Material Ruler, and Batong Silyar on the farther outside. It's Material Ruler on the outside, Batong Silyar on the farther outside, and finally, it's Material Ruler, Batong Silyar, Speed Almighty, Arithmetic, Arsenal, Personal Pile, and Prussian Gunner.
6532, 994,499 na iwan.
Kanin sa 2.3. Malaki na tapyas. Ano kang tiyempo ginawa? Eto na. 16, 223, 224. Finishing at 27, 130 sarado.
Hindi ng preba niya.
Oo, 1,450 meters.